I'm going to show you how to do the spring constant graph with Excel. Now, for the classroom thing, I wanted you to do it by hand, but you might be doing this as your energy lab, so let me just show you how to do that. The first thing is that this is our data, and that column there should all have 2 digits. Notice how that one's got 1 beyond the decimal point, 2, 1. That just won't do for IB. So select them, and then go up here and go Format, Cells, choose number, and then 2 digits is what it defaults to, so that looks a bit nicer, right? Notice how the 6 should really be 6.0, and even if you type 6.0 in there, right, it's just like, nope, it's 6, right? So select that again, go Format, Cells, Number, and then make that 1 decimal point, right? So there's that. So that's our table looking beautiful, right? Notice that we've got what it is, the symbol, the label, the uncertainty of it, right? Now, I'm just going to do something here. I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy that, okay? And I'm going to just put this on another sheet here because I'm going to do some tricks here. What I want to do is I want to do that graph with the min and the max and everything like that. So I'm going to set up a series here. These guys are going to be, I'm going to set up one here that is the least steep, right, and then the most steep. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the endpoints of it, right? So the least steep goes from 2.1, right, which is the high end of this one, that high error bar, to the low end of this one, so 8.9, right? And then the most steep goes from 1.1, which is the low error bar, to the upper error bar, right? 9.9, like that, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all that stuff like that. Go Insert Chart. And it gives me all these beautiful charts. XY scatter is the one you want. That's the one you want. And then I'm doing a right click here, which would be a control click for you guys if you don't have a mouse on there. And then I'm going to go Move Chart. I think it should go here, a new sheet. I'm going to call this Spring. Here we go. Okay, so now it's its own thing. The legend does not live on. And then it's like, how do we label the axes and title it and all this stuff, right? It's all right here in the toolbox. You click that. Okay, and then the vertical axis here, right, is actually restoring force in Newton. This is my dog. Okay, and then we can pull this down. Chart title is force versus distance, and then the horizontal axis is stretch distance in meters. Okay, I think that's all we have to do in here. We've got the things titled, we've got that, right? Okay, so the next thing I want to do, notice that because I put those, whoops, here it is, sheet 2, because I put those things there, this is one set. So there's actually 3 series. This is the x-axis, and then this is the first series in the y, second, third, right? It's showing them. Here's the first series in the y direction, and then the second and the third, or something like that, right? I want those to go away, so I'm going to right-click them here, or that's a control click. Let me see if I'm not. Yeah, control click, Format Data Series. And then see here where it says marker style, automatic. How about no marker? There we go. It's gone. But it's still there. I can still select that series, right? Okay, so same thing. Right click or control click, right? Format the data series, and then no marker. Right, so click marker style. There's all these things here, right? No marker. All right, now it's gone away. Now let's do a few things with this guy. Let's put error bars on it. So right click or control click. Format data series. See where it says error bars? There's Y error bars and X error bars, right? So you click error bars. We want Y error bars. We want both. And now they're 0. That's what they look like if they were 10, right? Okay, but ours are 0.5, right? Okay, and then I like the ones with a cap. I guess you can do ones without a cap, but That's kind of lame. I've never seen those. Okay. So there's that. Now remember, hiding under that error bar is another data series, right? So I'm going to right click this guy on the point itself, right? Right on the point. They all select, right? Add trend line. And now this is the normal thing, right? Options, display equation. So the options are over there. So there's our best fit line. Okay, put that over here. You can even click on these boxes, and this is line of best fit. All right. Now, because I've got a series hiding underneath these error bars here, I can do a right click. And I missed. Let's try it again. Format data series. There we go. You know you've got the right one because it selects. It's selecting both of those things, right? So format data series. Oh, that's not what we want. Right click, add trend line. There we go. And then don't forget options, display equation. Okay. So there's our steepest line, right? Steepest line, and then let's do the least steep line as this guy here. I nailed it that time. Okay, add trend line is what I want to do, right? Options, display equation on chart. Boom. Okay. And then let's see. Oh, I got it that time. Okay. Least steep line. Okay. And then I think, don't we have to do, I think we need to say that we neglected the X error bars. So I need a text box. Toolbars. Border drawing, external data. There's got to be a way to do that, isn't there? Do you see it here? Just thought it was that. What is this? Borders. No, I don't want that. Okay. Anyway, we're basically done here. Let's see if I can find this thing. Insert a sheet. Toolbars. There's one of these toolbars. Standard formatting, chart, drawing. I think it's the drawing one. I have this feeling. Yeah, there it is. Why would it be in drawing? Text box. Huh. All right. Note. X error. Show. All right. How weird is that? There you go. Yeah, I like this software. All right, there we go. Oh, yeah, so there you go. You've got your best slope, right? Your min, max, right? You got some more figuring to do, but that's at least how to do the graph.